Here we have a microscope, and what I want to do with you is to show you the right way to use a microscope. A lot of times when the students first start using one, they are very good at finding dirt, water, and nothing at all. And the reason is there's a procedure that you need to go through to be able to use a microscope correctly. So let me walk you through the right procedure. The first thing you have to do is turn to the smallest objective. This is also known as the scanning objective. The next thing you do is use your coarse adjustment knob and raise the stage until you can see something on your slide that's colored. All the slides that are pre-made are stained. So you're looking for something that has a color to it, right? If it's just a clear circle, that's probably either an air bubble, or if it's a slide you've made yourself, it could be a water bubble. All right, so on my stage right now, I see something blue. My next step is to switch to my next highest objective. Right now I'm on objective 4. 4 times 10 on my wide field lens gives me a total magnification of 40. That's pretty cool, but all I can really see is a blue dot with some other smaller dots in it. So now I turn it to my next highest objective, 10. So 10 times 10, this is 100. And it's a little blurry, so I'm using my fine adjustment knob to make it bigger to where I can see it. Okay. And now since this isn't the fanciest of microscopes, I have to manually move it with my fingers. Some microscopes that are a little bit higher in cost have other adjustments that will automatically move the slide over the stage for you. Okay. So this is pretty neat. The last thing I want to do to see it even bigger and get hopefully a better view is switch it to my highest objective. Now this is the one we have to be careful with. This is the one that we could break a slide with if we're not paying attention. As we move the stage up, we could crush it against the objective. So we have to be a little cautious here. And the first problem I have is that my object is no longer in view. So I'm going to go back real quick to my last objective, and I'm going to try and recenter this. I'm moving one of the stage clips off to help me do this. And I'll go back to the highest objective again. I can see the blue is very fuzzy. So I'm going to retune my fine focus. And there I have it. This looks really neat. I'm going to try and get a picture up for you. Okay. All right. Now, the reverse has to happen. When we're taking a slide off a microscope, we have to go through a reverse process. First, turn it down to your lowest objective, lower the stage, and take the stage clips off and carefully carry the slide back to either the slide box or your teacher, and you would get your next slide. Thanks. Until next time.